Hi, welcome to Saas Pro. Today I'll show you exactly how to make Microsoft Teams stay green so your status always appears active while you're working. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer, either from the Start menu or directly from the taskbar so you can access the app quickly. Step 2. Make sure you are in the Calendar section, then click on the Meet Now button and then select Start Meeting. This starts a call instantly without needing to invite anyone. Step 3. Once the meeting starts, simply close the meeting window. This keeps the session active in the background. Step 4. If a pop-up appears asking about audio, select the option to mute the mic. This ensures your device stays quiet. Step 5. Go to your status settings near your profile picture. Here you can control how you appear to others in Teams. Step 6. Change your status from in call to either available or busy, depending on how you want others to see you. Step 7. Keep the call running quietly in the background. This is what helps Microsoft Teams keep your status green. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more helpful tips.